Walmart Spark drivers don't earn a fixed hourly wage because pay is calculated per delivery offer, and total hourly earnings depend on how many orders a driver completes and how far each delivery goes. By the end of this, you'll understand why Spark doesn't show a true hourly rate, what actually determines earnings per hour, and how drivers estimate their real hourly income. Start with the key idea. Spark is not an hourly job in the traditional sense. You don't clock in and get paid for time. Instead, you receive individual delivery offers, and each one has its own payout. That means your hourly income is really just a result of how many offers you complete in that hour, and how efficient those deliveries are. Distance plays a big role. Short deliveries allow drivers to complete more orders in less time, which can increase hourly earnings. Longer deliveries reduce how many trips you can fit into an hour, even if each trip pays more. Order availability also matters. In busy shopping periods, drivers may see more frequent offers, which can improve hourly consistency. In slower periods, there may be gaps between orders that reduce effective hourly earnings. Tips can also affect hourly results because they are included in many total payouts. If a driver receives higher tip orders in a short time window, their hourly total increases without any change in base pay. Batch orders are another factor. These combine multiple deliveries into one trip. They usually take longer, but may pay more overall, so the hourly outcome depends on how efficiently the stops are grouped. There is no official hourly rate shown inside the Spark app. Instead, drivers estimate it by tracking total earnings over total active driving time, not just logged-in time. That distinction matters because waiting for offers is unpaid time, while active delivery time is what really determines performance. Most experienced drivers don't look at individual order payouts alone. They calculate how much time each trip takes and compare that to the total earnings from a full shift to understand their real hourly rate. The key points are simple. Spark doesn't pay hourly. It pays per order. Your hourly income depends on order speed, distance, and availability. And your real earnings are only clear when you track completed trips over time. Next step is to track your next few Spark shifts by dividing total earnings by active delivery time so you can see your actual hourly performance instead of guessing from individual offers. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps and real gig earnings.